Hey there, content creators and marketers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of content marketing and uncovering the secrets to creating engaging and shareable content that will take your brand to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, this video is packed with valuable tips and strategies to help you stand out in the digital landscape. I'm John, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this content marketing journey. So grab your notepads, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the foundations of engaging content. Before we jump into the fun stuff, let's lay the groundwork for what makes content truly engaging. Engaging content is like a magnet, pulling your audience in and keeping them hooked from start to finish. It's all about connecting with your audience on a deeper level, resonating with their needs, addressing their pain points. Remember, relevance is the key. Defining engaging content, unraveling the elements that make content engaging, such as relevance, uniqueness, emotion, and storytelling. Knowing your audience, conducting thorough audience research to identify interests, pain points, preferences, and behavior to align content with their needs. Setting clear objectives, establishing measurable goals and key performance indicators (KPI) to gauge the effectiveness of content marketing efforts. Section 2: Mastering the art of storytelling. Now, let's talk about the magic of storytelling. Stories have been captivating human hearts and minds for centuries, and they're just as powerful in the digital age. We'll uncover the art of crafting compelling narratives that leave a lasting impact on your viewers. Trust me, storytelling can transform your content from good to extraordinary. The power of storytelling: exploring how storytelling can captivate an audience, evoke emotions, and create a memorable experience. Crafting compelling narratives: understanding the structure and elements of a powerful narrative to resonate with the target audience. Leveraging user-generated content (UGC), harnessing the potential of UGC to augment brand storytelling and enhance authenticity. Content comes in various shapes and sizes, and understanding which formats work best is essential in today's diverse online landscape. From attention-grabbing blog posts to visually stunning images and videos, we'll explore the power of each format and how you can leverage them to keep your audience coming back for more. Written content: exploring the nuances of creating engaging blog posts, articles, and long-form content. Visual content: understanding the impact of images, infographics, and videos in capturing attention and conveying messages effectively. Interactive content: unpacking the benefits of interactive content such as quizzes, polls, and calculators to drive user participation and shareability. Section 4: Optimizing for social sharing and virality. Now, who doesn't want their content to go viral, right? We'll dive into the secrets of creating shareable content that spreads like wildfire across social media platforms. Get ready to discover the art of crafting catchy headlines, complemented by eye-catching visuals that will make your content impossible to resist sharing. Social media strategy: devising a comprehensive social media strategy to amplify content reach and drive sharing behavior. Creating share-worthy headlines: analyzing headline best practices to entice readers to click and share content. Incorporating visual appeal: maximizing the visual appeal of content to make it more shareable across social media platforms. Nurturing brand advocacy and influencer marketing: your most passionate fans can become your best brand advocates, and we'll show you how to foster that genuine connection with your audience. And that's not all. We'll explore the world of influencer marketing, where collaborating with the right influencers can skyrocket your content's reach and credibility. Fostering brand advocacy: understanding how to turn customers into brand advocates who actively share and promote content. Influencer collaboration: exploring the benefits of partnering with influencers to extend content reach and credibility. Collaborative content creation: utilizing co-created content with influencers and users to build stronger connections. Section 6: Leveraging content distribution channels. Creating exceptional content is just one piece of the puzzle. You also need to know how to distribute it effectively to reach your target audience. We'll uncover the power of email marketing, SEO strategies, and even paid content distribution to expand your content's visibility like never before. Email marketing, utilizing email campaigns to distribute content and foster deeper engagement with subscribers. SEO and content, understanding the relationship between SEO strategies and content marketing for increased visibility. Content amplification, exploring paid content distribution and native advertising options to expand content reach. Section 7. Measuring engagement and ROI. Last but not least, we'll tackle the crucial aspect of measuring your content's success and understanding its impact on your overall marketing efforts. Tracking key metrics will not only help you gauge engagement, but also demonstrate the return on investment for your content marketing endeavors. Are you excited? I know I am. So let's roll up our sleeves and start creating content that will leave a mark on the digital world. Metrics for measuring engagement, identifying relevant metrics like shares, comments, and time on page to evaluate content success. Tracking and analyzing performance, utilizing analytics tools to assess content performance and make data-driven improvements. Linking engagement to ROI, establishing a clear connection between engagement metrics and overall return on investment. Thank you so much for joining me today on this content marketing adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning about all things marketing, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or want to share your content marketing experiences, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating amazing content and I'll see you in the next video. Happy marketing! Thank you for taking the time to watch our YouTube video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us.